Hello. In this lesson, we will build a 3D model based on a point cloud by preprocessing this cloud using the functionality of the nanoCAD 3DScan application. Let's import our model. When creating the model, we use the metric system, so we import it into the program also in meters. We will leave the other parameters unchanged. For convenience, we will change the display style to scan color, since our model has such metadata. Let's switch to the top view and remove some points in the cloud by lipping. We will also cut off the points of the Earth so that they do not participate in the construction of the model. After clipping the point cloud, you need to create a new cloud based on clipping using the Create from View command. Next, we can start creating the 3D model. To do this, use the Creating of 3D Mesh command in the 3DScan tab. Next, you will need to specify the parameters for building the model. We will set the reconstruction depth parameter to 10, trim type to distance and its value to 0.05. We will leave the remaining parameters unchanged and build the network. About the functionality of this command and its parameters, I advise you to refer to the help, in which everything is described in detail. Software methods will automatically build a model based on a point cloud. Let's hide the point cloud and take a closer look at the model. In some places, the program's algorithms performed triangulation where there was no point cloud. This can be seen with the naked eye by carefully looking at the model. Let's fix this. Let's start with the hole in the bridge, which is filled but shouldn't be. For convenience, I recommend using a bounding prism, which can be used to seamlessly remove unnecessary triangulation from the model. When creating it, the model will lose the texture that was created based on the point cloud. But as soon as we turn off the prism, the texture appears. We will remove unnecessary elements using the Delete Edge command. Select the elements that need to be deleted with the secant frame. We will do the same with the vase on the edge of the bridge. Let's turn off the bounding prism. Let's highlight our model and pay attention to the properties. As we can see, the number of faces in the model is about 500,000. This number of faces can be reduced, thereby simplifying the model. To do this, use the Simplifying the Mesh command. We will specify the number of faces that need to be obtained. We will indicate this as a percentage, which will be equal to 2. We will leave the other settings unchanged and simplify the model. As we can see, the texture has disappeared and the model has become much simpler. We can get the texture back using our point cloud and the existing model. Turn on the point cloud display and use the Texture Atlas Overlay command. We will specify our model as the object on which the texture will be applied. Let's not change the parameters and apply the texture. Turn off our point cloud and see that the texture from the point cloud has been superimposed on our model. This concludes our lesson on creating a 3D model in nanoCAD 3DScan. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next lessons.